May I come in, sir?
Yes, please take your seat.
Good morning, sir.
It's already past 12 now. So, good afternoon.
Sorry. Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
Yes. So I am Mr. Suresh from Kolkata. I studied in BCA college. My age is 25. I like drawing. I love my parents. I will work in your office. My hobby is to paint.
Great. Good to hear that. Why do you want to work with us?
I want to work in this office because I need job, and I can hard work, and I work with computers.
Sounds good. Most of our projects and seminars are conducted in English. Are you sure you can work accordingly?
But I really need this job.
We will let you know soon. Thank you. So, how was the interview?
Not good. You know I cannot speak English fluently, so sir got angry.
What happened in the interview?
First of all, I made a mistake in the greeting. And, do you know how my English is? And then he introduced me. I think he rejected because I said good morning instead of good afternoon. And you know, first impression is the last impression. But I need this job urgently.
Oh God. You should not answer in an interview that way. There are certain etiquettes that should know, and my dear friend, if you want to work in a corporate firm, good communication skill is a must.
Tell me now, what should I do?
Abhishek Coaching is the best option for you now. They are organizing an online spoken English workshop for young and adults. On the 1st of August Sunday, there will also be trainers from different countries to guide the participants properly.
But will it help me to pass interviews?
Yes, the trainers will even give you tips on how to overcome your fear of English. You can do that online. By sitting at your home comfortably, you can learn different interview techniques, along with the actual pronunciation of English words. Even there will be lessons for business and professional spoken English skills.
But the money?
Don't worry, it's completely free of cost. Join this workshop to boost your confidence. Even I will attend it.
Thank you, Suresh. I am really feeling better now. I am waiting for the 1st of August to gain this new experience.